Assalamualaikum mga momshi, mga sisters. Today, we are going to cook chicken curry with milk. Hope you like it. This is the ingredients. First, chicken. That already make boiled chicken. Onion. Green pepper, chicken canor, chili powder, curry powder, and milk. And 2 tomato. Now we're going to cut the tomatoes. And now we're going to cut the onions. I think we need to put more bell pepper, so I add 1 more. So on and all, the bell pepper that I use is 3 pieces of bell pepper. So we're going to cut the last bell pepper. Now everything is done. The tomato and onion and the bell pepper is done already. So let's cook now. First I put the chicken inside the pot without oil. I just put there, and next I put the onion and the tomatoes inside. And I put a fish sauce. That I put in fish sauce. I put some. And now I put small amount of vinegar. And now I put the curry powder and chili powder inside. And I put oil. Now I put oil inside, any kind of oil, even the vegetable oil, canola oil, it's okay. Now I put this all-purpose milks, any kind of milk that available in your country. You can put it, any kind of liquid milk. Now it's boiling and I need to cover it again. And now I need to put the bell pepper inside the pot. I think it's almost done. It's done already. MashaAllah. It's so nice smell and tasty. If you're here, you will smell the aroma of curry and the bell pepper that you put inside. It's bring nice scents. Mga momshi, if you see the rice texture, it's a little bit orangey texture. Is that because I put 2 pieces of carrots inside? I grated and then I put inside the pot of the rice. So the rice is done and also the carrot is done. It's more nutritious, gives more fiber. And also the curry is so tasty. Hope you like it. Mga momshi, thank you, bye!